Okay, you guys, Tam Kim here. So today I'm going to be doing a crochet hair. My sister's going to be installing some crochet bouncy curls into my hair. I already got my hair pre-braided. This is how it looks. Okay, so first, before we put the braids in, I just want to make sure that my hair is moisturized with some oils. So first I'm going to be going in with the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, as well as the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Hair Oil. Okay, you guys, now that my hair is fully oiled down, now we're going to begin the crochet process. My lovely sister here, Nancy, say hello to the camera.
Hello.
My hair looks so big. Anyways, my lovely sister is going to be doing my crochet hair and installing it. And you're going to just watch the process, okay? Let's get it started.
So one of the main tools that we're using is the crochet needle. Get this at your local beauty supply store for $1.99. I usually start at the back because it's easier for me, but for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna start right here. So we leave the hook open and then we put it underneath the braid, and then once we get it underneath the braid, then we'll put the hair on top, close it, and then push it out. Going to start towards the front. This is one of the most fragile pieces of the braid because there's such thinner hair. So like I said, we just put the hair in, close the clasp, go down, and because it's such thin hair, I always hold down the sides. This is very painful for her. There we go. You don't need to push the whole thing out. That's really unnecessary. We get our little hoop here like this. I'm going to turn to the side so they can really see. We have our open hole like this. I don't know if that's not the best demonstration, but yeah. Push it through the hole. And you're going to press it down all the way until it's tight. As tight as possible. And after that, we just repeat the steps. Oh, and I always split open the curl because that makes a bigger poofier effect. You'll see a lot of people that don't split their curls and it'll just look like one big ringlet. And it looks, in my opinion, this is the better look, basically. Okay. Alright, so now we're done with that one row. So now we're going to begin on that back side, which is my favorite part to complete this first because right around this area is the most toughest spot. As you can see, the braids are really, really thick and her hair is red. So that means that we're going to try to hide as much of that red hair as possible. So we're going to start at the back where we ended, and we're going to start right around here. So this is the hump I was talking about. With this hair, I'm gonna like kind of do a lot more than, because I kind of space it out a little bit, because when you push it all the way down, it takes up a lot of space. So I only need so many, you know, hair pieces for one line. But I'm gonna go across to try to see. You can see where that line goes right here. as tight as possible. And then we're going to do the same thing. Going across instead of up and down. But sometimes you're going to have to. But going across as much as possible like that. And then kind of like push it over just a tad bit, not a lot. Because remember, you're going to have hair right here. And once that goes over, ain't nobody going to see that red hair. So you're going to be good. You better not put them nails in my leg.
What nails? I didn't even grab you with nails.
I remember last time we used them clothes. I said, oh no. Not again.
Okay, you guys. So my sister finally finished my hair. So she decided to do a side part. So I have this hair right here. And if I wanted to, I have a middle part that I can change into. But most likely I will stick to the side part for now, and then once the hair gets a little older and a little flatter, then I will go to the middle part. But what do y'all think?